Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at WordPress.com. WordPress is a website builder. It is very popular, as it says here. 42% of the web is built on WordPress, so there's lots and tons of WordPress or websites that are built using WordPress. So today we are looking at how to make an account and get started on your journey to making your own website, whether that be personal, for blogging, or for anything really, or like even a business. So first what we want to do is click on get started. So it'll ask you for your email, ask for you to make a username, or you can sign in or make an account with Google or Apple. It's gonna go with Google. Use this email or my own emails. It's gonna say choose a domain. So this is gonna be like what people are going to search in order to get to your site, or what the link is going to show. So it says like WordPress.com here. If you put like Joe Coffee, that's going to be what it is, joecoffee.com or .org or whatever. So it's just free for the first year. If it has the .wordpress.com, that's going to be like free advertisement for them, so it's going to be free. So I'm just going to do this one for now. And then you could choose a plan for for hosting. So the first one, personal, yeah, you could get payments, you have customer support, you could remove the WordPress.com ads. So if you do like a free site, like it says here, your site will have ads of WordPress on it and in the domain as well. And then for 1 year, $8 per month, you could, it's the same thing as this, but you could also earn ad revenue, unlimited teams, and we could also add Google Analytics. And then business plan. For now, I'm just going to do free site. So just look at those and choose what interests you. So my goal is to say we're doing a business. Let's say I have a shopping page like clothing. So Joe's apparel. I know I said coffee earlier, but I want to do something apparel right here. Then it's going to give you some templates. So I'll just choose one from store. I like this one, or this one works as well. And then here you can start with the template. And then you're going to be taken to this page where you can look at your site, change the title, and look at all your stuff here. And then to start editing, you go to name. So we'll name our site. We'll do it quick apparel. And then you could change like the icon, so like the small logo on the tab. And that's how you create an account. You can go on to look at the other stuff, but that is basically how you set up your account. So to look at your website, you can go to my home. You could click on visit site, and it'll get you to the site. And then here you can click on edit page to open up the editor. And then here you can like look at all the stuff. You can take tutorials, gives you a short tutorial. I would recommend looking at it. I'm just gonna skip that for now. And then you just click on whatever you want to change. So let's change the text. Keep you snug, cozy, or whatever. You can also change the picture. You could replace it. Just choose from a computer. You could choose from Google Photos, whatnot, or you could just choose from your own computer. Or you can just put something. Then you can change the size in order to fit it. And you could also change like the color. So we'll say here. And yeah, that's how you make an account on here and get started. So thank you for watching.